Get you the help you need, bud. Oh! Hi. Didn't see you there. Welcome to Kelsey-Bear's Cozy Fairs. My favorite thing to do with the Cricut machine is make t-shirts that absolutely no one is asking for and probably shouldn't be made at all. Unfortunately, a big part of my sense of humor is really just taking the stupidest phrase I can think of and putting it on a t-shirt. So a few years back when I was gifted a Cricut machine, well, I knew my moment had come. And I haven't done a Cricut video yet on this channel, so I figured that needs to change because there's a party coming up that I need to make a t-shirt for. There's some t-shirts I've been meaning to make as a gift. So in this video, we're going to be doing just that. We'll talk about therapy later, bud. Okay. The first set of t-shirts I'm going to be making is for a birthday party. Now, this birthday party is for someone very special. You may have heard of him, Johann Sebastian Bach, non-living legend. When we went to the birthday party celebrating him last year, Nick and I were some of the only people who didn't have a funny Bach-themed t-shirt, so we figured we'd do a silly couple shirt. The next shirt is inspired by a conversation I had with one of my siblings. He was talking to me about clown school and how when you enter the art of clowning, not sure if I'm saying that right, but you can ultimately choose to become a very specific type of clown, but not all clown performers are without their controversies. And as soon as Ricky said the sentence, "He's very controversial in the clown community," I just knew I had to put that on a t-shirt. So I'm making it today and then I'm going to be sending it to my sibling in the mail. And the final t-shirt design, which you may have already seen on screen, is inspired by a Tumblr post that I saw years ago, but it has lived in my head rent-free ever since. And it's "Not all who McFreakin' wander are McFreakin' lost." You have no idea how many times I've had an incredibly emotional, soulful conversation with someone about our deepest trials and tribulations, our emotions, our fears, and when we're trying to lighten the conversation and take it to a more inspired, hopeful space, even through my own tears, I have muttered to my loved ones, "Not all who McFreakin' wander are McFreakin' lost." Now, not all of them have appreciated that very much, but I do find that it usually lightens the mood, and since I'm not willing to tattoo this phrase onto my body, no hate, I love Tolkien so much, I've decided to honor it with a t-shirt instead. Thankfully, this time I remembered to put the vinyl shiny side down, so no tears were shed in the making of these shirts. They turned out pretty well, and I'm really happy with them. If you happen to have a Cricut machine or the ability to make silly t-shirts, silly items, I hope this inspires you because I got a good laugh out of this, my friends got a good laugh out of it, and it was just a good time. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to show you some more of my really dumb projects soon. Take care, and let's pour one out for Johann.